Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Yep, it's that time of year. Get rid of the Halloween decorations, pumpkins. It's time to go. Time to start putting up Christmas stuff. Got a whole bunch of stuff that I need to put out. Let's get to it. Alright, got the ladder set. I'm gonna put these lights up there. But to do that, I got these, I want to say maybe 30 years ago. It was a place called, God, what was that place called? Hobo. And they're awesome. All you have to do is clip it into the gutter and then hang your bulb here. These new ones, as you can see, they break so easy. Like they're like so flimsy. You hang it in the gutter. You know, these things are awesome. I keep saving and saving them until, I mean, one of these days I'm gonna have to go without them. Well, nothing lasts forever. Broke two of them. They got dry rotted. You know, lasting over 30 years. That's amazing. Kind of sad, but gotta get rid of them. Gotta get one more of these. I had just enough, but I broke this one, so gotta get another one. I have extras, so I brought an extra one just in case. Okay, that was one string that strung the whole entire gutter line. I might need one right there. But anyway, I have a little bit of a story to tell you if you don't mind. I can't remember how old I was, maybe 13, 14 years old. My parents, they didn't have a lot of money. A lot of kids' parents, you know, when I was younger, didn't have a lot. So the gutters on their house, it was a ranch style house, about the same height, maybe a little lower, not too bad. We had to take a putty knife and scrape them gutters. Dad wanted to do us to do that. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Since I was the oldest one, I got to go on the ladder. So one day I was scraping and scraping and scraping, and I lost my balance, and I was hanging on, just hanging on because the ladder fell. I jumped, I survived, but yeah, you just never know. You know, an accident can happen that fast. Like I said, nothing happened, and everything was okay. I did some of that Black Friday shopping today, but I wasn't up at 5 in the morning like I normally would be. I slept in today, felt good, and I was able to get most of the things that I wanted. Stores were crowded. I had to go to 2 stores and get that, and they had a great supply of it, so sometimes it goes to show you, you don't have to get up at the crack, well, of the moon, because the sun wasn't even up yet. When I started this video, I just was wearing a sweatshirt. I thought it was pretty nice. I didn't realize it was this chilly out. Got down, I think, to about 19 last night, and I think it was maybe about freezing. For some reason, I don't know, I thought it was a lot warmer. All right, I had to take a break and get one of these because the one I did have wasn't working. So hopefully this one works. I just had to run a couple miles into town to my hardware store and get one of these, so hopefully it works. Time to turn the lights on. That's a good sign. Let's see if there's more. All right. Starting to look like Christmas a little bit. Got that lit up. Got that lit up. Let's continue. Is there any idea you can tell I like multicolor? Multicolor stands out so nice, especially the new LED lighting. Looks pretty nice. All right, still more to do. All right, I'm all done. Here's one of the trees. This is a big old maple tree. And I got 2 trees over here that I made up a couple years ago. Got some twinkling lights on there. And then I just bought these spheres. They twinkle. These are kind of cool. About $15 a piece. I got 2 of them. Maybe I'll get some more if they're not sold out. So these twinkle too. And then I added the lights there. That light came on automatically. It's just. And then I got some lights over there. Got the lights along the house. And we got this wooden Christmas tree here. So, yeah, I think that might be it. Got enough, but don't go too crazy. So, all right. I appreciate everybody watching. And again, I ask if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do. And if you do, put your channel name in the comments and just say nice video or something. And then the next video I put out, I will shout you out. I will mention your name, especially if you're looking for new subscribers as well as I am. So again, this should do it. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll have some more videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.